Beyonce, Alicia Keys, Janelle Monáe, Lenny Kravitz, and countless others throughout the world. It is no secret that he dated some of the most beautiful women in the world. Included on that list was Misty Copeland, Vanity, Kim Basinger, Nona Gay, Carmen Electra, Ananda Lewis, and Apollonia, just to name a few. Women simply adored Prince, and he adored them. Prince was married twice. He was married to Maite Garcia and later Manuela Testolini. He was single at the time of his death. Prince Rogers Nelson. Prince, the Purple One. The artist formerly known as His Purple Highness. The symbol which could not be spoken. You will forever live in our hearts and the hearts of those not yet born through your music. We love you.